Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the Hyundai Kona old versus new. Let's start by looking at their designs. The new Kona showcases a significantly more futuristic and streamlined exterior, featuring unique lighting elements that truly stand out. In contrast, the older model embraces a more conventional, rugged SUV appearance. The new generation also boasts increased dimensions, including a longer wheelbase, which contributes to a more substantial road presence and improved interior room. Moving inside, the new Kona truly elevates the cabin experience. It boasts an impressive 12.3-inch dual-screen display, seamlessly integrating both the instrument cluster and infotainment. This is a significant upgrade from older models, which generally featured smaller, separate screens. Furthermore, the new Kona comes equipped with enhanced driver assistance features and improved connectivity options, making every journey more convenient and safer. When it comes to performance, both generations offer compelling options. The new Kona provides a standard 2.0-liter engine, delivering 147 horsepower. For those seeking more zest, a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine is available, offering a robust 190 horsepower. Electric versions of the new Kona also boast improved range and significantly faster charging capabilities, enhancing their appeal for eco-conscious drivers. Ultimately, choosing between the old and new Kona often comes down to your priorities and budget. The new Kona generally commands a higher starting price, reflecting its advanced features and modern design. However, older models present a more budget-friendly entry point into the compact SUV segment, still offering great value. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.